Hey everybody, today we're in a Subaru Outback. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip Console Mount number 835561. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided adhesive. You can see it as this blue covering under here. You'll want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you install your mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to be attaching in two different places on the side of the console here. The first is on this side of the chrome trim that runs on the inside of the console. So it's going to grip on this side here. Second is down in the passenger footwell. There is a seam between this harder piece of the dash and then the softer upper piece, and it's going to slip into that seam. So when you're ready to install, you're going to take the edge that has the double-sided tape and you're going to clip it over the top, and you want to get it roughly in line with the top of the shifter here. And then we're going to use our hands and press downward and inward so the bottom goes into that other seam. There we go. Once it's in place, we'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.